Hello, my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. How are you all? I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all to my channel. Thank you so much for loving, for giving support, for loving my channel, for giving beautiful messages to me. I really appreciate that. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages, whatever they are for you, Aquarius. Okay, so this is your extended love reading for December 2020. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. Gender is not specific here, Aquarius. Okay, please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I have already uploaded your main reading, okay, but I'm going to tell you one more time what was the energies for you today. And let's start your clarification, let's start your video. Okay, let's see what were the energies. So Aquarius, someone is rushing towards you. Okay, someone is rushing towards you to give you Ace of Cups, emotional fulfillment, and the Sun is here. Okay, they want to give you, okay, I can see you like this. Okay, they are coming towards you, Aquarius, to give you new beginnings in love, new beginnings in life. They want to give you happiness. Sun is all about happiness, Aquarius. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. They want to offer you Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is all about emotional fulfillment, a cup which is overflowing with emotions. So they are rushing towards you to give you this beautiful readings for this. Okay, beautiful energy for today, Aquarius. Something is ending in your life. The Death card is there, and the Star card, this is you. Something is ending in your life so that some new beginnings can happen. And what are ending, Aquarius? What is ending in your life is the Moon, the Devil, and Five of Pentacles. There was someone in your life which was toxic, okay, which was not good for you. This is someone which is narcissist, controlling, okay, obsessive person energy around you, who was keeping secrets from you. Okay, they were keeping secrets hidden from you, but you are leaving this person behind. Five of Pentacle is there. You are leaving this person behind, you are leaving this toxicity behind, you are throwing them out of your life. You're saying no more toxicity, I don't want to deal with this kinds of energy, I deserve best, and please get out of my life. You're saying that, and you are leaving this person behind, or you are leaving this situation behind. So after you are leaving this person behind, beautiful energies are coming your way. Why I'm saying that? Because the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and there is a Lovers here. Okay, the Lovers is here. This is your divine counterpart, the twin flame, the life partner, soulmate, whatever you can call it. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor in your love life. Maybe before you were juggling a lot to bring balance in your life. Two of Pentacles is there. But now you are moving in a forward direction as Chariot. You are moving in a forward direction. You know what is right and what is wrong for you. You know the difference between black and white. And because you are moving in a forward direction, you are not stuck, feeling restricted in a energy or in a situation. Because when you are moving in a forward direction, you are coming towards a calmer waters, Aquarius. Okay, Six of Swords, Six of Wands. You are coming towards a calmer waters. You're getting success, recognition, victory. Okay, and very good, Aquarius. I am really proud of you, because this was not good for you, and it's good that you leave this person as soon as possible. You have already left this situation, this person behind, and that's very nice, because once you leave that toxic karmic cycle behind, the universe is going to bless you. Okay, you are taking the leap of faith, in this Queen of Pentacles. Okay, there is someone around you who is, this is your partner. Okay, you are taking the leap of faith in this Queen of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles is someone who is financially maybe stable, grounded, who knows how to use the finances. They know how to use the finances correctly, basically how to manage the finances correctly. You're taking the leap of faith into them, and either you are getting married to this person or you are already married to this person. Can you see beautiful energies for you? The Hierophant and the Ten of Cups. You're getting married to this person or you are getting commitment from this person. They are offering you Ace of Cups, and Ten of Cups is always happily ever after, happy family, happy life. And that's the judgment for you. Okay, beautiful messages for you today. Judgment and the Ace of Swords. You're getting your clarity and you're making the judgment for yourself, or the divine is making the judgment for yourself, because you're leaving someone which was not good for you, which was toxic for you. So now let's start your clarification. Let's see what are the meaning of these cards, and I'm going to tell you that. Okay, let's start. What is Knight of Swords? What is Knight of Swords? Please clarify me. Who is rushing towards Aquarius? Clarify me. Bottom of the deck I was having Six of Cups. Someone from your past. Okay. Clarify me. Knight of Swords. Who is rushing towards Aquarius? Clarify me. Knight of Swords. Wow. Six of Pentacles, Six of Wands again has come for you. They're rushing towards you, Aquarius. Okay. They were rushing towards you to give you equal amount of give and take, and there is Six of Wands, success, victory, recognition. Okay, Six of Wands again is there. They are rushing towards you to give you that, and this person is from your past. King of Pentacle and Six of Cups again is there. This is your divine counterpart. King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle both are there. Before you were unable to make a decision. Okay, the Devil is there. Okay, Devil, Two of Swords and King of Pentacles. You were unable to make a decision between this Devil and this is you. You are unable to decide, Aquarius, but now you are making a decision. Now you're getting success in making a decision. Now you know who is your divine counterpart. Before you were unable to make a decision. There was some person which was not good for you, which was devil for you. The devil and devil has come here. Okay. This person is from your past. Six of Cups has again come for you. Okay, the person is from your past. This is your soulmate. Six of Cups is all about soulmate card. Why there is Moon? Clarify me, Moon. Wheel of Fortune just fell out, but I'm not going to take it. Why there is Moon? Clarify me, Moon. Hermit and Page of Swords. You are taking the energy of Hermit, Aquarius. You are looking answers from within yourself. You're doing some kind of soul searching. You are doing your inner work. And there was someone who was spying, who was keeping tabs on you. They were keeping secrets hidden from you. That's why you are getting success. Okay, in getting out of this energy, because they were keeping tabs on you. Page of Swords is all about spying, keeping tabs on you. Okay, through social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Why there is devil? Clarify me, devil. Clarify, devil. Clarify, devil. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 8 of cups. You are moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. You're moving in a forward direction. Can you see this girl is moving in a forward direction? You are leaving this person behind because you have, there is a judgment and nine of swords again. You have spent so much sleepless nights. You are unable to sleep at night, and that's the judgment you are making for yourself. After spending so much sleepless nights, you are moving in a forward direction because they have hurt you a lot, Aquarius. Ten of swords is there. They have put all the swords in your bag. Okay, they have done enough of the everything. Okay, I can say that. You are moving in a forward direction now with this Chariot, Two of Cups and King of Wands. There is someone who is very passionate towards you. They're offering you Two of Cups. Okay, now you're moving in a forward direction with this person of King of Wands, who is offering you their equal amount of give and take. Two of Cups is all about offering the two of you are offering their cup to each other. There is no imbalance in this situation. You are moving in a forward direction. Why there is Five of Pentacle? Clarify, Five of Pentacle. Clarify, Five of Pentacle. Again, Five of Pentacle is clarified by Five of Cups and Ten of Wands. You are leaving this person behind because you are very sad. Okay, guilty for, you are feeling like this, you are in this energy of, you are carrying lots of burden. Ten of Wands is there. You are feeling very sad, you are feeling very remorse, very guilt. You are not in a good energy because of this person. You are carrying lots of burden on that, on your shoulders. That's why you are leaving this person behind. And it's very nice, Aquarius, that you are leaving this person behind because you deserve best. Okay, you deserve best. Clarify me, Ace of Cups, King of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Swords again. Okay, the King of Cups is someone who is offering you Ace of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Sun. Okay, this is the new beginning in your life. There is someone who is trying to give you new beginnings. Okay, this is your divine counterpart. The Sun is there. That's the divine counterpart and Sun, and there is Ace of Swords again. They're giving you some kind of stability, some stable committed offer. Ace of Pentacles, they're giving you emotional fulfillment. Before that, you were juggling a lot. Two of Pentacles is there. Okay, so let's see why there is Star. What is Star? Clarify Star for Aquarius. That's what I told you. Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so this is you. Queen of Pentacles is you. This is not your divine counterpart. This is you. I will correct myself. You are taking the leap of faith. Okay, you are taking the leap of faith. This is you, Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. So this is you. That means this King of Pentacles is someone from your past. Okay. I was asking who was rushing towards Aquarius. Knight of Swords clarification. You were unable to make a decision between this King of Pentacles and the Devil. There were two energies, Aquarius, in your life. The Devil, Two of Swords, King of Pentacles, and Six of Cups. Now it's been clarified clearly for me too. Okay, so this person is from your past, the King of Pentacle, and this is your divine counterpart. But you were unable to make a decision between two situations. You were juggling a lot. Two of Swords. You were unable to make a decision. Okay, you were juggling between two energies. One was devil, one was toxic, which was not good. It was manipulative, it was controlling, obsessive, narcissist, and one was your divine counterpart. Before, you were unable to make a decision between two energies. Okay, what is ending in Aquarius life? Wow, the Tower. The Death and the Tower both has came for you, Aquarius. Divine is intervening in your situation. Something is shaking up your life, so that you can fall apart and make your life beautiful. Tower is not bad, it's good. The Death and the Tower. Divine is intervening, is interrupting in your situation, in your life. Okay, they are shaking up your life because this was necessary. This was necessary so that you can make changes for your life. Okay, clarify, Lovers. Six of Swords. You're coming towards a calmer waters. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 10 of Cups again. Six of Swords and Six of Swords. So that's the Lovers here. So you're coming towards the calmer waters with your divine counterpart in your love life, with your twin flame, with your soul mate. Beautiful, Aquarius. Beautiful. What is the Sun? What is the new beginning for Aquarius? Clarify me. Clarify me, Sun. See, again, the Wheel of Fortune is there. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Wheel of Fortune. Because you're leaving a person behind. Five of Pentacles is there. And same here, it was like this too. Five of Pentacles and Wheel of Fortune. Five of Pentacles and Wheel of Fortune. Because you're leaving a person behind, the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Beautiful. Because you are leaving a person behind, the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor and the Sun is there. Okay, the new beginnings for you. New beginnings in love, new beginnings in life. Okay. What is Six of Wands? Clarify me, Six of Wands. Okay. Wow. This is you. You're getting success, recognition. Okay. Maybe some of you can't see right now because bottom of the deck I'm having Knight of Pentacles, but it is happening, Aquarius, because Knight of Pentacle is all about the slowest deck. Okay, but it is coming. Okay, maybe right now you can't be able to see that it is not happening, but it is going to happen because you are manifesting something, Aquarius. Okay, the Magician is there. Magician, Queen of Swords, and the Hierophant. You are manifesting. Hierophant is all about marriage, commitment. Okay, and the Queen of Swords is you. The Magician is you. Okay, so you getting success, Aquarius, in your marriage, in achieving, in manifesting the commitment. Okay, taking the relationship into next level, commitment, marriage, and all. You are here for serious things, commitment. You're not here for any kind of time pass thing. You want commitment in your life, you are manifesting that and you are getting it. The Hierophant and Hierophant is there. Clarify me, Queen of Pentacles. Clarify me, Queen of Pentacles. Clarify, Queen of Pentacles. Why there is Queen of Pentacles? Clarify, Queen of Pentacles. Too many cards. Clarify, Queen of Pentacles. Eight of Wands. There are communication coming towards you. There is a lot of communication coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, maybe you are going to receive some kind of messages through WhatsApp, okay, through any social media. You are going to get communication, okay, you're going to receive some kind of communication. Okay, clarify me 10 of Cups. Clarify me 10 of Cups. Why there is 10 of Cups? Too many cards. Clarify 10 of Cups. Three of Wands. You are waiting your ships to come. Clarify 10 of Cups. Please help me out to clarify 10 of Cups. Bottom of the deck, again I'm having Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Page of Wands and Strength. You're getting some kind of passionate new beginnings, small beginnings, but you are getting it. Okay. And you're keeping your strength with you. You're keeping your strength with you. You are not accepting a cup from someone. The Four of Cups was there, bottom of the deck. And because you're not accepting the cup from the devil, you're saying no, you're moving this situation behind, you're leaving this person behind, you're moving in a forward direction with the Chariot. You are achieving. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Cups again. You're receiving your divine counterpart, King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Okay. Clarify me, Hierophant. Clarify me, Hierophant. Five of Wands, Two of Wands, Empress. There were some conflicts, drama, fighting around you. And there is Two of Wands. You are at the crossroads to choose, Aquarius, to make a decisions for your life. And you are someone who is loving, caring, nurturing. You are rising as an Empress. You know your worth. But there were some drama conflicts around you. Okay, around this commitment, around this. Maybe you were also committed to this devil before, okay? But you are at the crossroads. Now you have to make a decision in your life. Okay, and bottom of the deck, I'm having Nine of Cups. There is someone who is your wish fulfillment. Okay, your wish fulfillment is coming true. You have to make a decision in your life. Some of you Aquarius are making decision for themselves. They're leaving this energy behind. The Five of Wands, the drama and all leaving behind. Very beautiful. Ace of Swords. Please clarify me, Ace of Swords. Ten of Cups. That's the clarity you are getting, Aquarius. Ten of Cups and Ten of Cups. Happily ever after. Beautiful. Wonderful messages for you. Ten of Cups. You're getting your clarity that how you will get your Ten of Cups. You're getting it. Why there is Six of Swords? Why there is Six of Swords? Wow. You're coming towards the calmer waters because you're receiving your emotional fulfillment. Ace of Cups. Again, Ace of Cups has come. Beautiful, Aquarius. Ace of Cups and Ace of Cups. You're getting your emotional fulfillment. That's why you are coming towards a calmer waters. Okay. Let me adjust my cards. Okay. Why there is Chariot? Clarify Chariot. Bottom of the deck, I was having Seven of Wands, okay? You are protecting yourself. Your defensives are very high, Aquarius, okay? See, Queen of Wands is there. Queen of Wands, you are protecting, this is you, okay? Why I'm saying that? Because here it is your divine counterpart. When I was saying, I was getting the clarification for this. You are moving in a forward direction with your divine counterpart. Okay, King of Wands, Two of Cups, the Chariot, and this is you, Queen of Wands and Seven of Wands. Your defenses are high. You are protecting your aura. You're protecting your energy. You are guarding yourself. Okay, and you're moving forward with this King of Wands, who is your divine counterpart, the Chariot. Okay, the Chariot is here. Beautiful. Why there is Fool? Clarify me, Fool. Wow. Okay. This is your divine counterpart. Again, I'm going to say the bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Swords. This is your wish fulfillment, Aquarius. Okay, the Nine of Cups. That's why you're taking the leap of faith. Okay, and there is King of Wands. No, not King of Wands. King of Swords. King of Swords and Ace of Swords. Okay, this is your divine counterpart because I'm having Queen of Swords on the board, on the deck, on the table. Okay, you're taking the leap of faith because this is your wish fulfillment and you know that. Can you see? You're getting clarity who is your divine counterpart. The King of Swords and Queen of Swords both are there. Wow. What's the Judgment? Clarify me, Judgment. Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having Death card, Aquarius, and the Justice. Justice has been served in your case, okay, and the Death card is there. And what is ending? The Seven of Swords. Lies, cheating, manipulation, okay, were there in your energy, in your life, but this is going to end now. And the Judgment here, it is the Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles is all about abundance of everything. That's the Judgment made for you. Beautiful. Why there is Chariot? Wow. Eight of Cups, Eight of Swords, and the Sun. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Nine of Pentacles. You know that you are single, happy, abundant of everything. Okay, you know your worth, and when you know your worth, you get it, Aquarius. Eight of Cups, Eight of Swords, and the Sun. You are moving in a forward direction. Before, you are feeling stuck, restricted in this energy. That's why I stated you in the beginning that before you are in the energy of feeling stuck in a situation or in a condition, in a relationship, but now you are not getting stuck in this kind of energy. You're moving in a forward direction and you're getting the new beginnings. The Sun is here again for you. I love the card, the Sun. Clarify me, Two of Pentacles. Clarify me, Two of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Moon again. There were some secrets hidden from you, Aquarius. The Moon card is there. Okay. You are juggling a lot in a situation, in a relationship. Why you are juggling a lot? You are unable to make a balance in the relationship because there is Nine of Wands and Three of Swords. Okay. They put you in a third party situation. Three of Swords, they broke your heart several times, but you are ready to fight again. Okay, Nine of Wands, you are defending yourself. You're saying that now no more these kind of energy. I don't want to be in this energy of Nine of Wands or Three of Swords or Two of Pentacles. That's why you are juggling a lot, because they broke your heart many times. Can you see this girl is screaming, crying a lot, and this heart is broken a lot. So you are saying no more of this energy, no more of secrets hidden from you. And now I'm resting and rejuvenating yourself. You are resting and rejuvenating yourself, and you're moving in a forward direction. Okay, so that was the clarification. Okay, for you, communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. Someone is going to communicate. Lots of communication is coming towards you, but you are not accepting their cup. Four of Cups is there again. Sorry, Five of Cups. You are feeling sad, remorse, and very Ten of Swords and Five of Cups. They put you all swords in your back. You are feeling very sad, remorse, but don't be in this energy. Communication is coming towards you. Let's see what is the advice for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from the universe, from the divine. Please give me advice for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Give me advice. What is the advice for Aquarius? Give me the advice. Judgment. Give me the advice. Please help me, guide God, spirits, and just vary every single positive energy around me. Give me advice. You know the truth, Aquarius. Judgment is there. Princess of Swords is there. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Lovers. You know what is the truth, what is right for you. Give me the advice for Aquarius. Wheel of Fortune. Wow. So Aquarius, that's the advice for you. And what's the advice from the divine is bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Cups again. There is someone who is rushing towards you. Knight of Swords and Eight of Wands. Communication is coming towards you. There is someone who is rushing towards you. They are offering lots of communication, and that's the Wheel of Fortune moving in your favor. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune is again third time for you. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. You are making the judgment for yourself, or the divine is making a judgment for yourself. The Judgment and the Princess of Swords. Okay, you know the clarity, you know the truth. Okay, that's why the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Okay, and this is your divine counterpart. Why I am saying that? Bottom of the deck, I was having Ace of Cups, King of Pentacles, Four of Wands again. And here also I was having King of Pentacles and Nine of Swords. Okay, so this is your divine counterpart who is offering you Ace of Cups. Okay, they are offering you Ace of Cups, emotional fulfillment. They are rushing towards you, Aquarius. Four of Wands is all about twin flame soulmate. Okay, and there is Six of Wands. You're getting success in getting your Ace of Cups. Beautiful. So that was your extended love reading. Let's summarize your reading and close your reading. Judgment is making in your favor, Aquarius. Some kind of judgment is making. Either you are making a judgment for yourself, or the divine is making the judgment for yourself, for you. Okay. There was someone around you who was toxic, which was manipulative, who was keeping secrets hidden from you. Okay, they was not good. There was devil here. Okay, but you are leaving this person behind. You're leaving this person behind. Three of Swords, Moon, Page of Swords, Devil, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, this person was very toxic for you, controlling narcissist for you. You leaving this person behind. Five of Pentacle is there. Devil has come 2 times for you. There was some toxicity attached to this person. And what was the toxicity? That they put you in a third party situation. They broke your hearts a lot. A lot. Okay, several times they broke your heart. They kept secrets hidden from you. Moon card is there. Okay, but you they were spying on you, they keeping tabs on you, but you are leaving this person behind. That's beautiful, Aquarius. Five of Pentacle is there. Okay, the devil and Five of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles was there again. 2 times I was having Five of Pentacles. There were conflicts, drama around this person. Lots of drama, lots of conflicts were there with this person. Yeah. Okay. Five of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles, the devil and the devil. So you're leaving this devil behind, you're moving in a forward direction, you're leaving this person or situation behind. Beautiful, Aquarius. Five of Pentacles is there from both deck. Okay, there is someone from your past. Six of Cups is there. There is someone from your past who is trying to give you emotional fulfillment. Ace of Cups is there. They're trying to give you Ace of Cups, Ace of Cups. Okay, there is someone from your past who is your divine counterpart. Okay, Ace of Cups and Ace of Cups from both of my deck. Beautiful. They're offering you something very beautiful. Why I'm saying that? Because you're having Ten of Cups, Ten of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Cups and Ten of Pentacles, abundance of everything, and Ten of Cups is happily ever after. Beautiful. Coming towards the Karma water, Six of Swords is there from both of the deck. Six of Swords and Six of Swords. You're coming towards the Karma waters for sure. This person is trying to give you everything, Aquarius. Why I'm saying that? Because they're giving you Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. They want to offer you, can you see, equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles. There will be balance in your relationship. This is your divine counterpart. The Lovers is here. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Okay, where is my Wheel of Fortune? Okay, I will find it out later. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Okay, you are getting your clarity. You're getting your clarity. This is your divine counterpart because there is a pair, a power couple here. Okay, the King of Pentacle, the Queen of Pentacle, the divine counterparts. Okay, here they are giving you the Sun, the new beginning. Sun is 2 times. Okay, you're getting your happiest card in the tarot deck. You're getting new beginnings in love, new beginnings in life. This is your love of your life. Why I am saying that? Because this is your divine counterpart, Aquarius. They want to offer you Two of Cups. How beautiful it is. You are getting success in achieving your wish fulfillment. You're getting success in achieving your good in your life. Okay, because you are manifesting that. You are manifesting your divine counterpart in your life and you're getting it, Aquarius. You are getting it. Communication is coming towards you, that is for sure. Lots of communication is coming towards you. You are moving forward, Aquarius. You are not restricted, stuck in that energy no more. You're moving in a forward direction as Chariot. Okay. So this was your extended love reading, Aquarius, for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, I hope I help you out in some manner. and it will resonate with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love, light and energy, Aquarius. Happiness to my all beautiful magical beings in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.